mintie we na ye ma ye collect no time na afi say ebika ye kwindi ye de be.
Okay, Sega would him say me kada ba kwa ye wo me amasua de pa ba kwa ye ne.
Okay.
Asem na say Jude kind no. Half of Ghanaians are dream so. Say a league no ye nye team ba kwa waje ato so me in recent times kado. Because ya shambol ya league ne very shambolic ache. Ya underrate league no because of Nhyira be is
the Yankasa identify and recognize how our league need to be. Okay.
Because Oko Africa, some of the countries that we've been mentioning their name, their football countries, they are doing their league very well, no crano, and yet that competitive to say no. And as a Prince DBC to say, Ubetimenya league are very competitive, but standards never forma and kobibia. So the players will be fighting to make the league very competitive. And one thing I mentioned Medeama, so what check here? Teams in the Beji League now, so check investment or me. Or the Medeama League, check investment. Team here free some is it Samatex? Check it.
Some boy.
Check in your
yeah.
Even branding, jerseys, players or more toy any other. Just say a league near Sao Beji League. You need to invest before you will win the league.
Aqua Safari.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And nobody is talking about all these things. And yes, say now because of Nhyira League number. So what are the facts? These are the facts. We need to up the standards and the morals of our league before it will be known. Currently, as we're speaking, Kotoko, wa break agents and wa kofa a coach. Standard ni be a thing. You see a club like Kotoko, and also a standard yes a consistency with Africa. Yankono kwa unya coach, Tikotoko kwa kofa coach in terms of pedigree, in terms of history will be. Wa coach Orlando Pirates, calf na pese agent wa kwa final ni bida. Coach no kwa be age man. No, that's not the question. They needed materials. Politics ne be easy. Nhyira coach ni pe obenya the serene environment to work with Kotoko. Those are the standards. House of folk. Ya boli ga bedu baby aye do ye wie. Aka few teams in the players now is scattered. Use advisingly because you now see coach. Until say announce next week or something. Of it even a rumor. So those are the standards. Into a league, you know, uti ensema say mo kana no paya nka ensa isa o. Secret mo di omo na isi form. And this standard that yeka say yimpeja no is a broad conversation. The ministry, the presidency, the GFA all need to work something inside. And think a club like Kotoko mo they were say has nso afa broni ku. Oba odo si broni sa. Obi afa broni. Enya brofo keke omo be ye adwuma. Yet yana Kotoko for play or free Brazil as a midfielder by. Yeah. Those are the standards. Thank you. Think everybody league na do baby no. Na Kotoko wanjia or the second be. Na CAF either Confederation or Champions League no. Ayen hallmark or kokeke. Those are the standard. Because in terms of how competitive a league na no, are very evident. You bet me factor their back it. But the only thing here, the morals and the standards are drop you with your league in him. And now you can't do hard. Nti me for me see Kotoko so. Isi Kotoko appointed coach ni Eric. Waba ye him say track record ne ye. On paper, ejuma na efe, aware na efe. On paper ne ye. But nyaka ye how he will get things running. So Kotoko bet na wa Nhyira jegu na yase abe blame game na farm coach deko. And at this time, are we putting things together? That is the big question. Because coach we no ho no. Ni sieve nefe. But ni Ghana coach e ko fa ni ba ma ye say coaches no, they be enye din nko so ye adwuma Portugal ni we ye adwuma. But oba na wanya the needed materials emfa.
Okay.
So coach ni kwa ye be ja no, am a player support your member. These are the standards you are talking about. Into teams don't know more competing. Okay.
You're James Osai Brown, executive board chairman.
Yes.
Or catch a coach and say whatever support you need beyond the man.
Okay.
Into through the technical director says
okay.
Or mama sutia.
Exactly. Okay. Standard name. So we are very evident. Say Kotoko na ye DH no. Say the coach ne buy be man ko na ye ejuma. And standard ni pija. That is why we see the glory days again. Has to focus so. E football the more. League na ye baba boba be edui. O players go nya nyomo nyina. There is a good side of which I will come there. But for now, standard na say Prince Ekanibini. By now ka won coach. Obigas rival appointed coach I was starting. And for you know say Kotoko didn't come out damn obi anymore. But so for Kenya appointed coach impo. Psychologically players don't know what is going through their mind. Then would they prepare enough? These are some of the things we talk about. elsewhere House of Folk one. You see, World Cup now you boy any tray and say one area like Ghana say area one. You beat me idea pa you goalkeeping. On him say World Cup boy and at a point in time I was very shocked say ye media no ye boy the two you do baby not even the biggest artist in Ghana Stoneboy anyone the take his size artist Ziggy Benjamin Asari. Omo je shine ni na. But goalkeepers trainer he answer that man about so na me ntiase. Is it Fatao?
Yeah, Fatao da.
Fatao try and say Ghana ye yere ye ho with adequate materials ah. Baby ebedu baby embre pa no. Goalkeeper.
And also your standards.
Yes, standards na be no. Nti say you work off how do we call it? Richard Abba.
Yeah, only Kingston.
A proven person only me juma na tie juma na say ti what page standard back. Then you need to have a coach or no so tie juma na say the same level. Nti only lay ye juma goalkeeping ne ko then on the pitch ne ko House of Folk call the glory days. Simple and they know better. So how are House of Folk are raising the standard and the bars for the goalkeeping side? And coming next season, Yensha say goalkeeper Medeama has.
Is ya the Agbesi and a small boy? Was it Suleiman or was it Bibisa?
And Agbesi too is a proven person. Sa squad the ko not teach any idea. Nti when your goalkeeper no so betim ni na ye adwuma.
Against Zamalek Confederations Cup. E wo Egypt o make e saves.
Thank you.
Yeah, but the best goalkeepers e CAF Confederations.
Thank you.
No okay.
It means the league is competitive, the players are performing but the standards are down. The House of Folk kwanya mo for so kofa goalkeepers trainer. Mo for coach at the same pedestrian ni be ye adwuma. Then the FA Adibia also ye the board teams in the bia omunye. Na referees so the aba standard ne do so. Officiating. The referees will also take the course, the mantle on themselves. Say, yes, you my league in papa kaka. Sanyama we ba, we are good to go. So these are the services on pay. Sebekotra lecture or crack abia me nyasadi. Our league is very competitive. You need to spend before you win Larios. But the only problem is that the standards and the morals are down to a certain level. Say, team Nibeya, na ye team Oboko Africa kwaya the league ni Kodi Agrobebi. So for now, going forward, henceforth, the two biggest club, Kotoko House of Folk, teams now should invest up the standard and maybe going forward. Segabi, you be say teams no, they are on the path and they are winning again. Meaning some maybe we na kamenya adeki to be auto ado there.
Yeah, time no.
Okay.
Yeah, time no less than 2 minutes. Which I know so I na amwama there na nyede. So how to folk goalkeepers no Solomon Agbesi. Ana ya kind say.
Small boy now. Okay.
Small boy na.
They say Benjamin dey I confirm.
No. Benjamin dey. Benjamin Beko. What's that?
Saub no. Na Benjamin Crown. Robin Tran. Benjamin Poenya dia has impo be person obeba. But I will say omo pe another quality goalkeeper to Agbesi echi. So that Agbesi entimi relax.
Yes.
Benjamin there now ka be person obeba. Who say me omo call World Cup na me say Benjamin.
But I think say Olele coming in so no another step because say
who the new Benjamin.
Fatao etima ye adwuma say.
Yes.
Our Black Sasa, which any football, a Ghana, a coaching system, no, untimi mfa Fatao Emma Metuli lenim da. And the other only Baba and Sana Fatao, but enti, Azum says a Fatao, Crampono, Yole Junior, Etmema standard say, Black Sasa. Why not say why is senior to me?
With this issue, men downgrade Fatao, but you know, where say, coaching not the goalkeepers coach and so
Fatao, okay.
And yes, yeah.
I'm saying on the South African
coach also cry a goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Was it?
That's very good.
Yes.
Jemfa ento on record say it wasn't the so handy work of Fatao.
Fatao nkwaya say true.
Yes.
And like say coach also cry no so a goalkeeper.
And I won't say Benjamin Asari no all kono no aso na agye border do.
Oh yeah.
No chairman no aso na agye border. Me akwa say Solomon Agbesi unim men discredit you obi but that type of goalkeepers no. So no mo ye adwuma o mero. Goalkeepers trainer who said that he has so by match on them.
Yeah.
Because Agbesi level
adwuma ni hu bebre. Ana na house nso na Agbesi be ya Agbesi. No ya Agbesi dada.
But it is good say at least was our top class goalkeepers trainer now. Especially Nkrano Muremu. Nkrano Muremu goalkeepers.
Sorry, with this last issue on the House of Folk, the Kotoko DN.
Yeah.
Eric Tinkler. Umi and Kasim, we ebeko the ama NC4, NCC4. Omunenya proper communication to the fans.
Okay.
Eric Tinkler na waban. Ne star eti saying. The Inter America Sunday is a club. You nya coach ultimate league. You send a ball in your face. Listen to this. A one key 10 years in ya. A bequas about BCH. A rectangle and a star net is saying, or a result oriented for Libya. Or your more, you work on defense no more. Quite a befa so a young concede and Sania dream go. And to Kotoko, Akofat such a coach at the Nabano. Menyan and TSA, bless me born manka or Mobako. I say Wakas or Monto or Bonapas
Vitinia. Kotoko say you can Vitinia. You bet Joe. Or you need Paba or catch almost a more Monton. Does it be Joe? The America Cosino, yes, our communication.
Send your baby outside.
Kotoko me and Asha see no munya results bet. Ebia enya ball no more expect.
Yes, the ball nyefe.
Yes. It is so mark of no about.
Okay.
So
that level. Yeah, my listeners, 0322